So, sorry about the drilling. I am... Shut up. Everything, including this one, gets in the way from me making these videos. Mwah! Come on. Ugh. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We're here with the Civic and yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm not going to fanny about. We've got a few jobs to do today. We're going to be replacing all the blue badges with some red ones because I've been meaning to do that for a while and the blue badges just make me feel sick, to be honest. The other thing we've got to do is replace the wing mirror because that's destroyed. It's just that one there. And the other thing I want to do is replace the headlights. To be honest, I would have preferred to just refurbish the headlights that are currently on the car, but they're a bit too far gone. And yeah, there's water in the lens. They look horrible, so I just thought it'd be easy just to buy some better condition ones and fit them. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We're going to be getting rid of the front two badges on the grille and the badges at the rear. These are all genuine and they come to a whopping £106 for all of these. I've got my trusty hairdryer and some dental floss. To remove this sticky residue from the glue, I'm just going to be using some sticky stuff remover. I haven't tried this before, so we'll see if it works. Oh. Nice. Managed to get the badge off. That was a lot harder than I expected. Once I took all the plugs out, I was able to get enough access behind here, but they are mounted in with a little O-ring, so I kind of had to pry them off with a flathead screwdriver. Hello! I couldn't get any sort of washers to go around the back of the badge, so what I've had to do, cable tied the badge to the grille, and I've put a little dab of silicone at the back just to hold it in. So here are the front two. I've done the side stickers off camera and to be honest, I haven't done a very good job. The stickers were really difficult to put on because they're individual stickers. It's not just one strip. I'm probably going to redo that in the future. They're all good. And yeah, so this is our mirror that we're replacing. As you can see, it's cracked around there. So this one's in much better condition. It is used, it's not new. It's not cracked or anything like that. This is actually the second one I bought because the first one that got sent to me was also cracked. And also what the hell is that? It's like a burn mark. Are they 8 mil? Yeah, they are. Oh, fuck. That's it. Okay, I've got the door card back on. For some reason I've broken this plastic trim here. It just doesn't click back in anymore. I will say though that the door card, putting it back on, it's so much more difficult than taking it off. So fiddly to line it up right, just a pain in the ass, but we got it on. Just gonna give the mirror a quick test. And it works. Window's okay. So that's one job, well done. We're now ready to move on to the headlights. This one has just got a bit of lacquer peel, but for this one, the damage is actually behind the lens, and you can open these up and restore them that way, but I really could not be bothered. I've seen videos where they're putting them in ovens and prying the glue off the ends, and to be honest, I don't really feel confident enough trying to do it. The other thing I noticed is that these headlights are actually darkened. They're not original. I don't know if someone's painted these inside or you can just buy them like that. I think you can buy them like that. I am officially the world's biggest donut. So I spoke to a friend of mine and I asked him about these headlights because the ones that I purchased are the reflector lights, and he told me that these are from the diesel model, which is the 1.7 CDTI or whatever you call it. Unfortunately, it's just one of them things, and what I'm gonna have to do now is order some more headlights and wait for them to arrive. So it's a month later since you saw the last clip, and I've had an absolute mare when it comes to getting headlights. I've bought 3 more sets, and 2 of the sets that I bought were just rubbish. The first set I bought were aftermarket, brand new. They arrived damaged, they had shit inside the lens, it was sealant all the way around the edges. They look crap quality, and I really just didn't want to fit them to the car. So I returned them, and then I bought a used genuine set that was supposed to be in really good condition. They completely scratched up, pretty similar to the ones I had, to be honest. So I'm returning them as well. But the good news is that I did buy a new set of genuine Honda headlights, a whopping 350 quid for a pair, which I didn't really want to spend, but to be honest, that was the only option. So that's a little tip: if you're going to replace your headlights on an EP3, you're better off just saving the hassle and buying a new set, because otherwise you're going to be wasting loads of time trying to get a set that is probably not much better than what you've got. Oh, I might have to buy some more of them. I think the bumper should be pretty free now. There's a bolt I still haven't taken off. Nice. One thing I've noticed is that the front splitter is coming off, so I'm going to have to glue that back on at some point, but I'm not going to do that today because we're losing sunlight. There's one down, and we've got the other. Next part of the job, I've just got to swap over the headlight brackets, and then I've got to change the bulbs out. We fitted the headlights. I didn't really film it because the video is just going to be way too long, and if you've ever tried filming while fitting parts before, you'll know how much of a pain it is and how stressful it can be sometimes because things don't go right, and yeah, it just makes it 10 times longer. So as you can see, it looks so much better now. It was a lot of money, but I think it was money well spent. The only thing that was a little bit annoying is that this headlight here didn't fit in very well, and you can see it hasn't clicked in. It lines up okay from down here, and it's clicked in underneath, and it was a struggle compared to the other side, but you can't really wedge it in because this casing will probably just crack if you're just trying to force it in. Overall, I'm still really happy with it. Looks good, and yeah, can't wait to put the front bumper on now. The bumper is back on the car, and we can finally see the transformation, and I think it looks so much better. I'm really happy with how it's come out, and I'm really glad that I did purchase the brand new headlights. So, in the time that I've been making this video, I've also swapped the wheels over. So I did have grey alloys on the car before, same wheels but grey. They needed a complete refurb, they were battered, and I really didn't like the colour because for me grey on grey just doesn't suit the car very well. I was looking at getting some Enki Evo alloys, but these come up cheap and they're in really good condition, so I thought it was a quick fix and a quick win. I haven't painted the calipers just yet. I'm going to do that at a later date because it's just always raining at the moment in the UK, so I've left the calipers for now. So the last thing I want to do to wrap this video up is just change the front and rear number plates just as a finishing touch because it has the blue and I just don't think the exterior would be complete. The new number plates are on the car and it definitely adds that finishing touch. I'm just going to give you a quick whip around because it's raining, and then we're going to head back inside. Looks a lot better. I'm really happy with what we've achieved in this video, and I just can't wait to get stuck in and do some more. So as always, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it, and I am sorry that it's taken a while for this to upload. So from 2023 onwards, I'm really looking forward to producing some good quality content for you guys. That's going to be with this car and also a bunch of other cars that I'm going to be bringing onto the channel. So it's definitely something to stay tuned for, because I've got some big plans ahead. I need to sneeze. It's gone. So in the next video, we're going to be focusing on the interior and just giving it some well-deserved upgrades. Stay tuned for that, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.